going on, guys? Got a pressure washer here we're going to be rebuilding. Got the seal kit from the head. We got water leaking from the head to the pump here, leaking down the middle. So I ordered the seals and we're going to pull it off the wall, take it in the shop, and then we're going to rebuild it. You can see the water inside the oil. So take it apart, get it rebuilt, and get it up and running. So as you can see here, we're going to have to unhook the timer, which I wired that in. Used to be one cord, came out of the unit, comes up, comes around, and we cut it. We added the timer in so that way it shuts off. People just don't leave it running. And follow the cord down, comes down and goes right in here. We plug it in. So this part here will be fine to leave on. Just going to have to unhook it at the timer, and we can lift it off, take it in the shop, and rebuild it. Alright, we got it inside. Now we're getting ready to pull off all these 3/8 screws here, all the way around. So we'll get those off, then that way we can get to the pump. So let's get them off, we'll be right back. Alright, got the cover off. Now we're going to loosen up all these Allen head screws here. Got 8 of them. That way we can pull the head off the pump. Alright, we got all the bolts sprayed. Got one out. One came out pretty easy. The other ones are letting them soak a little bit. Gotta be careful we don't strip anything, so let that sit. Alright, we got the head off. Got it all wiped out inside. And here's our seals. So we'll be pulling those all out, replacing those. Got another one right here. And then we got an O-ring back here. So let me get all these off and we'll get the new ones on. Okay, we got everything apart. Here's the new seal kit. Here's the seals. And we got all these off, and we got everything off of those as well. This is the seal that's on the inside. Which is these 3 right here on the end. Those 3 go on the inside of these, which are going to be fun to get in. And then your O-rings, which are these, go on the outside edge. And then these 2 right here just go like that, and they'll sit right on the front like that, and then we'll slide them back on. So I'm going to try to get all these pieces here on the inside of these, and we'll be back. Okay, got one done. See the black seal inside there? It's all good to go. Plus I got the little O-ring on top. So once that slides onto here, what we'll do, this piece goes in next. Slide that on. Like that. And then last is this piece. This goes right inside here like that. And then once we put the head back on, that'll hold that in place. So we've got one set up, ready to roll. I'm gonna finish getting the other 2 set up, and then we'll go ahead and we'll drain the old oil and water mixture out of the pump. Get all that nasty stuff out of there. And then we'll flush it down a few times with some oil, try to get it all cleaned out the best we can. Then we'll fill it up and fire it off. So let me get these other ones done here and we'll be back. Okay, we're all set. Got this wiped off here the best I could. Not a machine shop pro, so I'm sure some of this could use cleaned up a little better, but it's the best it's gonna get. So we got all our new seals on all these, so we'll go ahead and slide them on. Okay, now we'll put these pieces on. These are the last ones. Slide right over like that. Try to clean some of this stuff off the edge here. And we'll get ready to put this back on. Alright, we got it all back together. Everything's put back in here. Flush the oil out twice. Gonna put the cover back on, then we'll take it out, hang it up, and then we'll fill it up with oil, and then we'll run it, and then we'll probably have to change the oil probably 2 more times or so to get all that water mixture out of there. So let me get the cover on. Alright, there it is, all back together. Getting ready to take it out, and we're also going to install a new timer. Make sure this thing shuts off when needed. So we'll see you outside. Alright, everything's together. Got the new hose hooked up as well. There it is. Got the oil in, got the power on, the water's on. New timer. Let's go ahead and test it out, see if it fires up. Go. Gonna go ahead and change the oil. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and change the oil and then keep an eye on it. Change it again. Alright, that's replacing the seals on the head and a pump for a pressure washer, a cam spray. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.